Let's kick it. Oh, it's alive. I think it was sleeping. Oh, no, it's just a little lizard.
Oh my god. You threatened the crocodile.
I did, and I didn't
wrestling and shit.
Look how I position myself over him. It's a rowdy one.
You threw his face in red and here's the camera.
Crockett, when you're in this position, you put your hand over him and I bite. And then you gotta snap a snack. You hear that crack? That bloody reptile. Oh no, it's still alive.
How am I bandage?
You might want to watch out with your foot, buddy lad. There's a rowdy one. Don't worry, it won't bite. Oh shit! That's my corner. Got it. Goddamn, bitch! Motherfucker! Shit! Good bitch.
Crocky.
It's dead now. Fuck.
I'm crying. Did you record that, Brandon?
You didn't? Oh, I thought you were.
I did.